In this product spotlight, I'll be showing you our PTFE pressing pillows. Now we'd recommend using these for all items that have a seam or a zip. Now seams or zips will prevent your item from pressing evenly, as there'll be more pressure on one side of the press. Now by using a heat press pillow, you can pad out centre parts of, say, tote bags. They just slide right into the middle, and then when you press onto the tote bag, these seams and handles won't cause any fading across the centre of the image, as it's cushioned out, ready to press. Now these are made of PTFE, which is non-stick and wipe clean, and inside it has a heat resistant material that cushions as the heat press clamps down. You can also use them for slates, as slates can sometimes have an uneven surface, and this helps to even out the pressure across it.